Hello everyone, I'm Grace. I'm from ALEEAO truck trailer. Today I'm introduced one hot building trailer, 3-axle Lowbed single trailer. Let me introduce the details. This trailer can load 80 tons. So we choose the very strong main beam. You can see here the bottom plate, we use a double plate, 20 millimeters the thickness. 1, 2, 3. And here is the 1-2 box. And install the Fuwa bright landing legs. This trailer, most important to the point is the wider. The customer want to increase wider on both sides. It is very useful when transport the large machine. And another important part, we install the container lock. This Lowbed can load 150 feet container. 3 axles, our locally brand, our own brand, ALEEAO. And the double tires, mechanical assistation. You can see the leader. The customer uses the mechanical leader. And why? One is the light. If you also need the Lowbed trailer, please contact ALEEAO truck trailer Grace, or we are directly happy to apply. Thank you.